In-text citations are a way to give credit to your sources while you write your paper. Today we will discuss when and how to write in-text citations for an APA-style paper. Anytime you use another person's words or ideas, you must include a citation that references the author and the year the information was published. According to the APA manual, authors do not present the work of another as if it were their own work. And, whether paraphrasing, quoting an author directly, or describing an idea that influenced your work, you must credit the source. And don't forget, your in-text citation must correspond to a citation on your reference list. There are two main types of in-text citations: direct quotes and paraphrased material. Direct quotes require quotation marks and are used with exact wording. If using a direct quote that is longer than 40 words, you will need to indent the quote a half inch from the left margin. It is important to remember that if you use a quote of 500 words or more, you must get written permission from the author, and the paper must include an author's permission note on the page where the quote appears. A paraphrase is your own version of information or ideas expressed by someone else. Generally speaking, the two things that must be included in an in-text citation are the author's last name and the date of publication. In the case of printed materials, you will also need to include a page number. If no author is available, the citation should begin with the title of the article. In this example, we have used the author's name to introduce the quote. Following the author's name, we include the year the information was published, and at the end of the quote, we cite the page number where the information can be found. You can also include the citation after the quote, as you see in this example. Both of these methods can be used with paraphrases as well. Here is an example of a block quote. Block quote margin should be indented 1/2 inch from the left-hand margin, and the citation is included at the end of the quote after the punctuation. You will also want to include some sort of sentence introducing the quote so as not to interrupt the flow of your paper or presentation. This concludes the tutorial on APA in-text citations.